How to record your voice on the video you're editing using the YouCut video editor app. As always, make sure you have the latest update for the YouCut editor app. Let's get started. So let's just say you're currently editing a video and now you want to narrate over the video or simply just do a quick voiceover on the video you are editing. So to do this, you first want to move the timeline and position the video into where you want to start voice recording. And you can always come back and change that voice recording to another part. Now, once you're done with that, to the top area here where all the tools are, look for the icon that says record, this here. And when you tap on it, if you're new to this, it may prompt you to allow permission for voice recording, and it'll show you the voice changer option here as well. Now that you're ready to record, go ahead and tap on it one time, and as you do that, it's going to start recording. This is just a voice recording sample using the YouCut video editor app. And you'll tap it a second time to stop the recording. You can go back and play to hear what you just played or recorded, I should say. This is just a voice recording sample using the YouCut video editor app. Now, if you like what you heard, you can press the check mark, or if you don't like it, you can delete it and then try again. So let's just say now I'm done. And you'll notice now there is this orange section here, and you'll notice the voice recording icon, which lets you know that it's a voice recording and not some song that you inserted. All right. So let's just say you accidentally came out of it and now you want to go back to it. So you'll tap on the voice recording here. You'll notice the set of tools will appear here, and you can either trim it if there's a part of it that you don't like to the end or beginning. You can adjust the volume of it. Maybe it's too loud. You can lower the volume. You also have the fade in and fade out. Maybe you're singing a song and you don't want to just start so loud. You can have it fade in and fade out, just like an audio file. You also have the speed of it. You can adjust it. So maybe you might have talked a little too slow. You can make it go faster. Or maybe you spoke too fast and you can make it go a little bit slower. All right. And it's up to you. This is just a voice recording. Now, other than that, you have the options to insert a caption or captions, which I'll do in a separate video. And you also have the voice changer too, which will allow you to change your voice based on. Now, once you're done with all that here, this is how your voice recorded sound is going to sound based on what you left it as here. And also, if maybe you might have don't like where it is, maybe you want to place it to another part of your video, you can hold it down like this and then drag it to where else you want it to be. All right, and that will be it for this guide. Like and sub.